In the Forex world, one of the most exciting and lucrative strategies is capitalizing on breakouts. A breakout occurs when the price of a currency breaks through a key support or resistance level, signaling that the market might be about to make a significant move in a new direction. Traders who master the breakout strategy can identify these crucial moments and enter the market at just the right time to capitalize on rapid and profitable moves. A breakout can occur in either direction, upwards or downwards. When the price breaks through a resistance level, it indicates that buyers are taking control, and the price is likely to continue rising. On the other hand, when the price breaks through a support level, it suggests that sellers are in control, potentially leading to a price drop. These breakout points are essential for traders as they represent moments of high volatility and, therefore, large opportunities. Technical analysis plays a crucial role in identifying breakouts. Traders commonly use tools like trend lines, chart patterns, and technical indicators to find key support and resistance levels. Triangles, flags, and channels are some of the most common patterns that indicate the possibility of a breakout. These patterns show periods of market consolidation, and when the price finally breaks out of these ranges, a strong move often follows. It's important to note that not all breakouts are created equal. Some may be false, meaning the price could break a level only to reverse quickly. These false breakouts are one of the biggest challenges traders face. To avoid falling into this trap, it's essential to use additional confirmation tools, such as volume or momentum indicators like the RSI or MACD. If the volume significantly increases during the breakout, it can be a sign that the move is genuine and more likely to continue. Risk management is another crucial aspect when trading breakouts. Because these moves can be fast and often unpredictable, it's essential to use stop-loss orders to protect yourself from adverse movements. Setting. A stop-loss just above or below the broken support or resistance level can help minimize losses if the breakout turns out to be false. Additionally, it's important to not risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital on a single trade. Successful traders also know that patience is key when looking for breakouts. You don't always need to enter the market immediately after a breakout occurs. In many cases, it's better to wait for the price to consolidate a little after the breakout to ensure the move is genuine. By doing so, traders can avoid entering a trade too early, which could lead to losses if the breakout reverses. In conclusion, breakouts represent one of the most exciting opportunities in Forex trading. If you can identify key breakout points, confirm their validity with additional tools, and manage risks properly, you can capitalize on the rapid and significant moves that define this strategy. With time and practice, you'll learn how to trade breakouts effectively, leading to, potentially, great profits in the Forex market.